So we're going to take this one step further and use the JMRI software to connect with the Wi-Fi throttle, and we're going to start the server. And as you can see, it's recognized the laptop. Now we're going to come over here and start up our throttle application. And we're going to key in an engine address short of 6. And you can see it's recognized the engine. We're going to flip over to throttle. And we're going to hit the bell. And then we're going to actually forward and accelerate the engine. And there you go.